Model, 69 plate Ford Transit Connect Limited 240L2 1.5120 PS head gasket repair no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 120887. MOT, the 21st of October 2024. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 TDCI 120 PSS6H. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, head gasket needs replacing. Ford main dealer started the repair but customer ended up buying a brand new van, so stopped repairing. Everything is there, no parts are missing. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, 2 keys, cruise control, parking sensors, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 8,000.